Hey there, savvy savers. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of investing without the hassle of constant monitoring, the Betterment app is your new best friend. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use it step by step, so you can start building your wealth today. First things first, download the Betterment app from your phone's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some basic info like your email, create a password, and verify your identity. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Now that you're in, the next step is linking your bank account. This allows Betterment to handle transfers automatically. Go to the Accounts section, select Link Bank, and follow the prompts. It might ask for your bank's login details, but rest assured, Betterment uses bank-level encryption. With that done, it's time to set your investment goals. Betterment makes this easy. Answer a few questions about your age, risk tolerance, and financial objectives. Based on your responses, the app will suggest personalized portfolios. Speaking of portfolios, Betterment offers a range of options, from conservative to aggressive. You can choose one that fits your style or let their algorithms do the work. Once selected, fund your account by transferring money from your linked bank. The app will then automatically invest your money into a diversified mix of stocks and bonds. One of the coolest features is the auto-rebalancing. It keeps your portfolio on track without you lifting a finger. As you use the app, keep an eye on your dashboard for performance updates, fees, and any market insights. Betterment is all about passive investing, so you won't need to check it daily, but it's great for occasional reviews. And if you ever need help, their customer support is top-notch. There you have it. Using the Betterment app is straightforward and can be a game changer for your financial future. If you're ready to take control of your investments, give this video a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and head over to the App Store right now. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.